Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning and I am at the breakfast table. It's a weekday and we have something planned for this morning which I will share with you in a while. Before that, let me show you what I am having for breakfast. So this is our breakfast arrangement today. I am not a tea person. This is for Joe. I have a glass of juice for me, which is mixed fruit juice. Then these are chicken sausages. This is egg toast, and then I have some packaged cake. We will now quickly finish our breakfast, and it's 8 o'clock. But Joe has started his office work. He has to quickly send some official emails. Now that we are done with breakfast, like I promised, I'll tell you what I have planned. So it's basically not a plan. We are going out of our house for the first time in this lockdown. As you are aware, in the entire country, Maharashtra is the most affected. That to Mumbai, there are so many cases. So we have been following strict lockdown from last 2 months, and this is going to be literally the first time when we are stepping out of the house, and that too, it's because it's important. One of my very good friends is traveling from Mumbai to Orissa, basically to Bhubaneswar airport, because now flights have started, and she's not getting any cab facilities, Ola, Uber to drop her at the airport, because most of the cabs are only available to the hospitals, and I don't think so most of the cab drivers have also started functioning. So we are going to pick her up from her house and drop her at the airport, Mumbai International Airport, and I am also kind of little excited to see how the lockdown is outside and how people are behaving. So I will show you that. Now that I'm stepping out of our house, let me quickly show you this area. This is the refuse area, which is basically for emergency purposes, where people can gather here in case of a fire in the building. Luckily, it's in our floor for our wing, and also this is used for other society members get together and other functions. So this has been my only place in this lockdown where I at least feel the outside world. Let me show you. We will basically go down there. Our vehicle is parked somewhere there. So now we are stepping out. So now lift 1 and lift 2 will tempt you that come, I will make your life easier, but we have not been using the lifts for last 2 months. So taking the stairs now, irrespective of whatever weight we have to lift. Usually Joe would always take the stairs and not the lift, because we felt it's not safe to use the lift in this lockdown. So now I'm going down the stairs. I'll show you once I reach the ground floor. We have now reached ground floor. See, I could see an auto. Almost all the shops and stalls are closed. I could see some people walking in the road, and also I could see 1 or 2 autos also, so I'm surprised. You know, Mumbai, like no matter what, Mumbai never stops. Let me still see, are people taking this situation seriously? Because it's really, the condition is pathetic here in Mumbai in terms of the huge number of cases. Now I'm moving towards the vehicle, and I'll show you how the streets look like. Mumbai for a change is looking so peaceful. Wow, I'm loving it this way. I could see few guys, but I'm assuming they are out for grocery shopping. One thing I have enjoyed in this lockdown is that I have loved watching birds and hear them sing from my window in these last 2 months. Guys, believe me, this is a rare sight in Mumbai. Almost no vehicle in the road. And I guess they've done some construction because this road was under construction and now it is looking like it is in a better condition. Can you spot those construction workers? I think they are still on work. I'm really worried for their well being and health, but I guess they're finding it easy to finish the work now. Driving has always been a pain in Mumbai, but not today. We expected to see lesser number of vehicles in the roads than what we are seeing currently, but somehow this road is looking really busy. Now we have parked our vehicle at the society gate of our friend's apartment and we are waiting for her. Oh, we are stuck in traffic. We picked up friend from JVLR area and now we have reached Western Express Highway and you can very well see this road can never be free. This is unbelievable. Even in lockdown, come on. Now we are entering Mumbai International Airport. You know, we were thinking what if the cops catch us. Then we thought because our cause is genuine, so why to worry? I have always loved this road. Almost reached the destination and now we are dropping our friend. After dropping our friend, now we are heading home from the airport. I just hope things come back to normal soon because I'm really missing this freedom. Hi, we have just reached back home. We have parked our vehicle. As you have already seen, some of the places and the roads were vacant, while in one or two we saw vehicles and we even got stuck in a traffic jam. While dropping her at the airport, I was really tempted to catch a flight and go home, like to my hometown, which is Guwahati, Assam. But while coming back, we were doing some research on internet, and we came to know that we will have, even if we are traveling to Guwahati, Assam, we'll have to be in quarantine, not home quarantine, but in a hotel or a quarantine center for 14 days or so, I guess, 7 or 14 days, which is which is good in a way. Ki they are taking so much of precaution. But we never know when this lockdown will be lifted in Mumbai, and maybe by the time we are free from that quarantine and we reach home, we'll have to come back. So we have dropped that idea, though it was very much tempting when we saw her going and catching a flight. So now that we have reached back, I have spoken to her ki what precautions or what steps, or are there any different steps that they had to undergo in the airport. She said ki obviously they had asked the passengers to reach the airport well in advance, and for the check-in baggages which she has deposited, she has to do the check-in of those baggages online beforehand, and she had to take a printout for those check-in baggages, and she had been given some headgear kind of a thing, which it is a plastic thing which she would wear over her mask, and it will cover her entire face and neck area. So all the passengers are given that. So I'm just hoping she reaches home safely in Orissa. As far as she has told me, she will be in home quarantine and not in some quarantine centers or hotels. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will try and share more vlogs with you and keep you entertained. Thank you for watching.